Okay, so Anik, let's proceed ahead with your HR mock for Steel Authority of India Limited. We start with your brief introduction.
Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Good morning, sir. I am Onik Mondol. I am from Kolkata, and my father is a government employee, and my mother is an housewife. I have done my schooling from Sharada Vidyapit, and then I have completed my graduation from Jadavpur University in mechanical engineering, and then I have done my post graduation, basically MTech from IIT Kanpur. So my MTech project was numerical simulation on a daily phenomena like shock droplet interaction. And in my BTech, I have done a summer internship in Andrew Yule and Company Limited. Uh, and along with my academics, I have I like to play outdoor games like badminton, mountain climbing, and long distance running like marathons. And and I have participated many activities in my MTech. Like in MTech, I have participated organizing a workshop and TA duty of a TA duty of my UG students, and that's it.
Okay, so what you done MTech in which specialization?
Uh, I have done my MTech in aerospace engineering, computational mechanics.
Computational mechanics. So now, Anik, with the background of computational mechanics, what benefit you will take of this knowledge in Steel Authority of India Limited?
Um, Basically, that in computational mechanics, the computational methods, various kinds of computational methods I have learned here. So I have seen that many kind of like day to day means like we in this era, the modern philosophy is like we will do experiments less, and we are engaging more computational works, like so that we can the experiments or the investigation will be the cost effective and all. So so that's an advantage that I can bring in Steel Authority of India, so that the R&D things can be done in computational way.
Mm. Okay, what was your project in MTech, Anik?
In MTech, my project was shock droplet interaction,
Tell us more
numerical
about it.
simulation of shock droplet interaction.
Okay, what did you do in that?
Actually, here the phenomena is a shock is coming, and and it will hit a water droplet, and I have to look into the mechanisms of breakup. That is five types of breakup is there. So so this breakup mechanism I have to look into this, and this project is already done in IISc Bangalore in experimental way, but they have done experimental way. So the project cost is very high because they have used a very costly camera like 1 lakh FPS camera. So I have done that project in just in front of a computer. So this is my
Mm.
essay.
Okay, so what is new in your project, Anik?
Uh, New is that I have in that experimental things, many things are not visible well. They
Mm.
have just stated that this can be the this is can be the reason that that this is happening. They have just mentioned it, and I have shown that things that this is going on here, and that's why this phenomena is means this breakup mechanism is going. This
Hmm.
is the cause and effect things are very
When did
clear.
you complete your masters? You're still in masters?
No, no, I have done my masters in August. I have completed August 23.
Hmm. Okay. So last year, what were you doing now?
Yeah.
After your post graduation, what were you doing?
Actually, after the post graduation, but my thesis work is still there. Some work is left. So I have spent 3 4 months in IIT already. Then along with that, I am preparing myself for various kind of jobs and.
Why you interested in Steel Authority of India Limited?
Uh, Steel Authority, and actually the story is began from the BTech, because I have when I have gone to the workshop, gone to that summer internship, I have seen actually I am fascinated with the work ethics and like a how a product based company will run the workshop, how the batch production things like sheet metal cutting operation is there, metal joining is going on, bend forming, means bend rolling, these processes going on. These things are like very calculated and very means well organized way, and these things I have actually I'm fascinated with these things, and so my mind is going obviously to the sale that is a product based company.
Hmm. Okay. So what do you know about SAIL?
uh
What do you
Sale
know,
is an
Study about? Uh,
Maharatna company, and it's a public sector undertaking, and Sale is an uh, in India it's the largest steel producer, and in world it is the one of the largest steel producer,
hmm.
and
Yeah,
having
which is the largest steel manufacturer?
13 billion US dollar revenue in 2022 they have
The
registered.
largest steel manufacturer in India?
Huh?
Largest steel manufacturer in India.
Yeah,
Which one is the largest steel manufacturer in India?
actually Sale is the largest steel manufacturer.
Sure about that?
Huh?
You are sure about that?
uh, Actually largest steel manufacturer, if I talking about a like a plant. Then that JSW Steel, there is a plant in Vishakhapatnam, yeah, something like there. That is the largest steel manufacturing plant, but manufacturer, I think SAIL is the biggest.
Hmm. Okay, what is the steel?
Steel is steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Actually,
Hmm. How much iron and how much carbon?
and carbon is like less than 4.3%, and oh, sorry, is less than 2.1%, and but the rest is iron.
2.1%. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. And mild steel, what percentage of how much carbon in mild steel?
Mm, Actually, in iron carbon diagram, so there is less than 2.1% is milestone, and after that, like to the 6.67% is cast iron.
Hmm. Do you know
So
what is strain hardening? Anik?
strain hardening is that after um, uh, second after yielding the process of the what actually after yielding there is a process called recrystallization is going on, and after that that grains are actually formed. After recrystallization, the fine grains are formed, and then these grains are actually restructured in a way that this called is strain hardening, so that the mechanical properties will be higher.
Okay. Okay, let me give you feedback of this, Anik. Anik, your introduction is very, very long. You have even
Okay.
told in your introduction about TA duties, which you used to do in MTech. That is not required in introduction. There is a format of introduction. Please watch the video on YourPedia, how to introduce yourself. The video by Shubhya. Please watch that. So how to introduce yourself, that video you watch and see what should be the format of introduction.
Okay.
Then you should, why, you have done your MTech. What is your MTech project? You should be very, very clear. They tend to ask you about MTech project. How your computational mechanics MTech will be helpful in steel authority. So what do you mean by you're a mechanical engineer? So what is steel, percentage of carbon, metal forming, production, material science? They are very, very important subjects for you. So strain hardening is a very basic phenomena of, strengthening of the material from yield strength to ultimate strength through plastic deformation.
Mhm.
You should know that. And you should, when I'm asking you a question, you are continuously speaking. So when the panelist will ask you a question, you will stop. You have to stop then and there. Maybe you are answering, but then they cut you, you stop there and listen to the question carefully. And when something is not audible to you, you are saying, huh? You should not be like, huh? It should be like, sorry, sir, समथिंग लाइक दैट. गॉट इट.
Okay.
तो वो थोड़ा सा बिहेवियरल पार्ट पे तुम्हें एक्टिव होना है. बैठने का स्टाइल भी तुम्हारा लाउजी है. तुम्हें एक्टिव होके बैठना है. द वे आई एम सिटिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. Hands are to be kept on the legs and you have to sit straight, back straight. And very attentively you have to listen to the question of the members. And if they say, you stop. Need not to complete your sentence. Stop it. And if something is not very clear to you, you say, sorry, sir. Uh, sir, can you please repeat? Something like that. You're not say, huh? This you are not to say, right? So do it. And सेल के बारे में जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपको मिला है, अनिक, please go through that document in detail and revise that well, right?